Miselowski is a futurist, which means without using a DeLorean, he reckons he can accurately predict what Australia's future will kinda sorta look like.
Scott!
And if you like being alive, it's great news for you.
Each and every one of you is indeed a futurist.
Expo 2009, but within that expo is Store of the Future, basically. So 2020 Store of the Future. And with me is Miselowski. I got it right this morning. Good morning, Morris.
Morning, Morris.
Now, Morris is what they call a futurist. I mean, and
future, in fact, you think that 60% of us will be doing jobs that don't exist now?
I think we're doing tasks that don't exist now. We're seeing huge industries rise.
If you knew the answer anyway, they'll ask you a question anyway. Were you surprised that we feel as though we're not being burdened by technology?
I don't think so. I mean, yeah, I knew the result.
Report today is saying extend school hours to 5:30 and sort of in that difference between when kids finish now and 5:30.
That other Australian industries face job cuts. Should any sectors in particular be concerned?
I think most sectors nowadays need to be concerned. We're really going through a seismic shift across the entire planet. And
talking about the fact that older people and cars and driving aren't necessarily a good mix. So do we really want people in their hundreds driving on our highways?
Hey, remember I'm talking about the future.
Yeah.
We're into this semi-driverless car stage by then. And in fact, what we want are less people behind the wheel. We want more people moving around as they want, but the car's doing most of the thinking. So in fact,